My country people, una well done. Now me, una brother, Osage Aimusu. In the year 1914, the kingship of Benin was restored. But wetin dey pain us pass, he say, that time they no return our sovereignty wey they collect for our hand, and that thing dey pain us well well. Because in that year 1914, na they name our Oba, they make our Oba Eweka the Oba of Benin. But since that time, come reach today, our sovereignty wey they collect, they not give us back. Also, UKGB family worldwide don't take upon themselves say we go use 24th of July to celebrate, and not just to celebrate, but also to take reflect on the way forward, on the things so we go do. Because that day, now we make 108 years when it happens. Say they don't take restore us, but our sovereignty they not return our back. Once again, I be your brother Osage Aimusu. We will enter street, we go ask more persons the things where they know more about Benin, and not just that. Because on that 24th, we are going to be doing a lecture. We're going to teach the citizens what they know about Benin. We're going to tell them, say, see things like this, so it don't happen in the time in the past. But all the same, follow me as I go to interview more persons so they ask them questions. I want to ask you one brief question. You know, say in the year 1914, now they restore our Oba as the Oba of Benin. But again, one thing, they not give us back where they pay us. Now our sovereignty. Up till now, you see, they pay us. You still there with them, never return. Now, even the artifacts they collect for our hand, now few of them they don't bring come. They not bring up. So we don't take this time now as a family, UKGB, all UKGB family worldwide, all the Benins, to take celebrate on the 24th. We want to come together and we can celebrate Benin, and also to come think of the way forward on how we go fit and restore this sovereignty back. So mama, we don't take a mouth now say we go enter streets to ask people questions. You understand? Things where they know about Benin and the things where they happen around Benin. So mama, we feel know your name, please.
My name is Rose Opara.
Rose
Opara.
Okay, Rose Opara. Mama, you what did they call hand for Benin?
Obo.
What did they call ear for Benin?
Eho.
What did they call nose for Benin?
Iwe.
What did they call eye for Benin?
Ow.
Clap for yourself. You see, as a deep-rooted person. Na person will grow for Benin well. On behalf of UKGB family, I believe so you're picking the go school. Give her this thing. To tell her I know say on the 24th we go to celebrate Benin. We go to celebrate Benin restoration. Thank you, ma. You go have a good business today in Jesus' name. Well done, ma. Come on, ma. Oba talk by. This one our UKGB, United Kingdom of Great Benin. This one our program be say we take the whole world. As long as say you be Benin person, not waiting be say supposed to be shy for. Because this thing about na Oba matter. You look at now will not be politics. Be politics. If you hear Doma na Benin matter. Here, on the 24th of July, you know say in the year 1914 when they restore our Oba as the Oba of Benin, Eweka. But get one thing, not say Benin before, in the old time, we dey live as sovereign nation. As Nigeria be so, so will be. Now Oba na they rule that time. Until those Oyibo come collect them from our hand. They can't even carry our Bavora and go another place. Since that time, what they collect from our hand, they not return them. That is our sovereignty. As they make us. But
they say they bring some now.
They never bring some come. They go bring some come.
They don't bring.
Yes, they don't bring. So yes, so with our own and say we
they don't start and
yes, they go finish up. So we as Benin now, we them take our time to celebrate. On the 24th of July, all UKGB family we will come together. That's all United Kingdom of Great Benin. Now they call us Godomigodo. We want to come together to come celebrate Benin and also to celebrate that day when they make us, when they restore our kingship. But that our sovereignty, they never bring them back. Still they pay us. So Mama, we'll go ask you a few questions. Mama, I bet what be your name, ma?
Okay. Mrs. Edewe.
Mrs. Edewe, you be correct Benin person. Iye, sure you know say Benin get national anthem. Iye, you fit sing one or two verses for us.
No, I not fit. I be the learner. I be the learner, but I not fit.
You know the chorus, sing that.
I don't forget.
All the same, Sha. I will sing that for you.
Okay.
Obaga talk me, he say.
Okay.
Obaga talk me, he say. Enika oya we Obama
Talk again.
Oba talk me.
Thank you, sir.
I
God
just say
bless
until they chop am for there. You get your body, you really know. Oba talk me. Oh mama. Mama, you gallant oh.
What's it?
I beg you, how much you dey sell am now? How much she be now?
As I buy this one, I mean buy this one. 120,000. I take buy for market.
Jesus Christ.
Hey Jesus, as I take buy.
For this
Now
country.
who help you before?
Now wahala we dey oh. Iye where don ma?
I never even shade.
You never shade?
No.
Mama, you don't shade now. Mama, how market now?
Thank God.
But as they be now, how much do they sell this fish?
All this be 700.
Jesus for one.
Yes.
Na shark.
Na 700 to sell am.
This country companies, na even fish wey be say we dey sell before 200, 150.
That's
The only way we be say we fit make things dey okay na say we have to say this belief in the whole dey so we restore things wey be say we need to restore. Mama, who should I be?
Abibini.
Oye no pàtàkì wẹ̀.
We dey pataki we dey say
Iye wa ti wẹ̀.
Victoria.
Iye wetin be your name?
Daniel.
Daniel, okay. Yeah, you know say in the year 1914, when we say that they restore or buy worker, great Oba. The year wetin be say they restore, but they don't give us our sovereignty back. You know say in the whole time when they be say Oyibo come meet Oba Borame. When we say we fight the war, when we fight, we will kill some Oyibo. So at the end, they go carry our Oba go Calabar. Since that day, our sovereignty as an Oba, they collect am from our hand. No short and never give us. But in the year 1914, they can't restore our king. Say, Obenweka, now you be king. But that power, where we say they give them before, say we did they rule our sovereign nation, they don't give us back. Up to now, still they pay us. So on the 24th of July, we the Benin won by. We want you to celebrate that day and also to take plan the way forward. On how we have to say things go take chance. See, and I say even you yourself, you don't know say things like this happen.
I don't know.
You see, so Mama, we don't take upon ourselves. We go out to ask more questions about how well we know our Benin, how well you know the place where you dey stay. Yeah, you know say this market so now Oba get am. Oba talk.
It's
I don't say they if you give
we're more supposed to talk there's one. We're more supposed to talk
no. No, go follow.
It does go.
You don't do abi. You don't do abi. You dey okay? You dey okay?
No, seriously, put them down.
Okay. You dey okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Our business.
Mama, we want to ask you what be the name of our Oba, the Oba of
I don't know the name.
the Oba wey dey rule us now. Mama, don't talk about the Oba wey dey rule us now. What be his name?
I don't know the name. About that,
Mama, what be his name?
No, not shake. You can't shake it.
Mama, what be our Oba name?
I never shake. Never shake.
Mama,
Why the second now?
come and face am.
Oba why the second? Gidi gan.
Oba talk.
Say, ọ̀nà àwọn ọba rẹ̀ pé mi ti sàlọ́gbọ̀. Èdè ọba ò máa kí ẹ ti where the second? Tó kéfà ọ̀nà ọba àṣọpẹ̀ Gidi gan the second. Ẹ̀wẹ̀ ọba lórí eriwe ṣe à.
Mama, no be fault, no be fault. Mama, na we don't know. Oba talk pe.
Iṣẹ́.
Na Oba matter we bring come like people. Na well done.
Yes.
Mama, wetin be your name again?
My name na Gloria.
Where do you?
Oh,
Which tribe?
I'm Yoruba woman.
So how many years you don stay this country?
At least I don stay 15 years.
That's you don't know things about Benin there.
I never know anything because I no dey waka too much.
You know say on the 24th of July, UKGB family, which is United Kingdom of Great Benin, all Benin worldwide. We don't think until the 24th, we want to celebrate our Oba. When they take restaurant as a king, don't say they never give us sovereignty, but one is that they take celebrate. So UKGB family, we don't take upon ourselves, so we go enter streets, we go dey ask questions. Our citizens, more wetin they know about Benin. So as you dey now, what do they call nose for Benin?
Nose, Iwe.
What do they call ear for Benin?
Abi?
For Benin?
What
do they call mouth for Benin?
Uno.
You too no booty. What do they call heart for Benin?
Oba.
Oba Tope.
You see now, even Yoruba person wey don stay for Benin, he himself don't know all these things. Oba Atokpe, he say. And if we not ask our children, what we gain? Auntie Mona, come now. Mama, I'll reach your side. Come now, students. Students. Oh, see our own students sef dey run for camera. Here they call. Here committee now. We don with you because they say if we dey do things like this, we no interview our students. That's also we dey make mistake. So, aunty, wetin be your name?
Oziegbe.
Isiegbe.
Oh, Ogedo Pataki. You know say Benin get national anthem.
Yes, sir.
You go fit sing small for us. If you sing one or two items, we go give you money. Sorry, we go give you notebook.
So sing anyone for us.
Oh, God.
Anyone who you remember. You dey hear am for ABS every time. You dey always hear am for ABS, abi? Anyone you remember. The chorus you remember. They dey always sing am for ABS.
I feel sing.
Auntie, you know anyone for inside?
I don't remember.
You say.
You know her?
I know.
Auntie, you know her? Auntie, one sing am for them, you collect notebook. Anyone who you know for inside, come sing her. Come now, come sing her, you collect. Anyone you know for inside, come sing her.
You see why it happens? Say our ministries we need to introduce Benin national anthem because you see now many of our students they don't know them. They don't know them.
Auntie, Benin national anthem.
Ọba ga-atọkpe ise enika ọya wee ọba na o tu ga-atọkpe
Oh, when I clap for this girl, you know book well. On behalf of UKGB.
You see and I say now few children never even know Benin national anthem. Is it fair? Our ministries make we try, make we bring am enter. I hear say the last time we say we do WAEC for this Benin, children when you enroll for Benin, they no reach 40%. What a shame. People wey enroll for Benin, they no reach 40%. But when you go other states, you go say Yoruba, they go put Yoruba join for their WAEC. But for here Benin people no dey like to dey put Benin as studies, and e no good. Our state government, abeg we dey beg you, make we bring more Edo teachers enter our school so that through that medium our children go know more about Benin, our children go know more about Edo. No be why be say you go dey speak Benin because say e just come and hit me on my echo. That is not Benin. It is not Benin. E dey pay me. E dey pay me.
Koye.
Iye Wakoyo, Ọba Atokpe, Wakoye Walaloke, Koye. Iye UKGB family now we be as United Kingdom of Great Benin. Maredo, Marerebo, we are everywhere. Everything concern Benin Kingdom, now be say that they do. So we don't take it upon ourselves say we want to use 24th of July to celebrate our Oba, the great Oba. When they restaurant Oba, but he get one thing they not give am wey be say they pay not. They not give am sovereignty when he gets that time. Because when they come out about voter for Benin that time, kind of go Calabar, who they come put that, they come put one person make on the rule as his assistant then. But when Oba come, they come make am the Oba, they not come give am that sovereignty again to take the rule as the general head. And that thing na UKGB as a family would they fight for, would they agitate, when they bring that sovereignty back. So that Benin will stand as a sovereign nation as it be. But we as UKGB family, we don't take it upon ourselves say we dey agitate, not be to fight, not be to quarrel, now to go through the due process so that make peace day. So mama, we don't take out. You understand me? Only one missing artifact, we dey bring them back. You understand me?
Anyway, because I want to ask you a few questions. Where you say, I believe say you don't still take for this game, so you
I be chief wife now.
Abba. So what ask you the full name of this our Oba?
Oba Ewai. Oba Ewai.
Oh,
Ogidi Ọba Atokpe.
Ọba Atokpe.
He said.
I don't need to go there ask you what they call hand. You know those songs. Those songs now. You understand? You guys the job. Yes, sing any traditional Benin song where you know. Any Benin song where you know. Sing anyone.
Hey,
any Benin song where you know.
They bring him so you will see one church.
Anyone, even not because.
Ago beso gaga Ago beso gaga hallelujah. Ago beso gaga Ago beso gaga hallelujah. Ọba Atokpe.
He on behalf of UKGB family. Since I don't say now, Chief Adu himself, the wife, not the turtle.
Na me o, but this one wife.
Ọba Atokpe.
He said.
All the same, Mama, God bless you.
Thank you.
Ọba Atokpe. Come on,
Which tribe you be?
I'm in Benin.
How many years you don't know this Benin now?
I have done this Benin for 43 years.
Jesus, that's to say you know Benin well. I want to ask you few questions when you know about Benin. You know say Benin get national anthem?
Yes.
You will feel sing small for us.
For Benin?
Yes.
I know.
If man, they don't listen for ABS. People they wear gun, white gun, you know
He say, Ọba Atokpe. He say, I give you all my way now.
Clap for yourself. What did they call heart for Benin? What did they call ear for Benin? What did they call nose for Benin? What did they call mouth for Benin? What did they call teeth for Benin? What did they call eye for Benin?
Benin woman, how you be? For 9 years forth, you have been registered as a Benin woman. Ọba Atokpe. Well done, madam. Your business will flourish today in Jesus' name. Well done. They go around to ask more questions because you know why UKGB they celebrate, so we need to celebrate our citizenry. We want to try to know how well they know this Benin. You hear that woman that time we interview, you hear the woman talk. He said the country not strong. The country true is not strong. Before if I buy gala, I go buy am for 15 naira, but not be so it can't be. The other day I buy egg roll. What I see for inside egg roll shock me. I see a kasa instead of egg for inside egg roll. That tell say this country not strong. Now God go help us. So follow me as we go dey ask more questions. Ipadomo, sir. We never ask my question since Ipadomo. We understand. Babadomo, I will ask you 1 or 2 questions, please. Babadomo, sir. Ọba Atokpe.
Yes, sir.
Babadomo, sir. My UKGB, we are UKGB family. That's United Kingdom of Great Benin. This group, now group will be say all Benin worldwide.
Yes.
Now we dey.
Yes.
We don't take until the 24th. We want to celebrate our Oba, the Oba Eweka, and also the installation of our kingship. We don't say they ever give us that sovereignty where they call it for Voram and hard now.
Yes.
They ever give us. Yes, they ever bring her back. You see the pain us.
They go bring her come.
Amen.
Everything where they carry goes for Calabar, they go bring all of them come.
So right now,
because it will come to Benin.
Yes.
And you cannot lost from Calabar for that side. You must only come to Benin this side.
So we don't take upon ourselves to go use 24th of July to celebrate our kingship.
It's
and
very
also
important.
Our sovereignty they
must
restore.
celebrate
We
it.
believe say one day they go restore.
Yes,
so I want to ask you a few questions. Baba, you don't say Benin get national anthem.
National anthem.
Yes. You dey hear am ba?
Yes.
Yes, they play.
Yes.
If you sing small for us, anyone who you remember.
You don't think now when I was in school that time.
Get one day they sing now.
But they say for television. But we always look at satellite or meditate.
Not be the Go TV
Go TV does support the country of this world. No people try to watch tele again, but it's about few people is watching tele now. But it's supposed for us to be watching the EBS and ITV and NTA, watching all of them. It's very important. I see when the day I opened television by EBS side, I see what they were singing it. Ọba Atokpe, he say, oh, that's what I was hearing.
Say your voice sweet if I go to the choir. So that was UKG, how you hold this notebook.
Ọba Atokpe. see am say everywhere get be. People know they watch EBS, people know they watch TV, people know they watch NTA. Rather than go they watch Go TV. And everything we dey do about Benin na day. Na bad thing say we get our own Go TV. Na bad thing say we get Rock 2 wey be say they show Benin movies. Time don reach for us to do all those things. So time don reach that we fit from there they show the world about Benin. You see how? You see how? It's not Go TV they watch. And EBS dey but no they watch. ITV dey no they watch. You see how? Mama, well done o. Call you. No, you know cash you. You know cash you. Not be political matter. Na Benin matter. We as na indigenous people of Benin, that's United Kingdom of Great Benin. Now Benin matter we want ask question about, not be politics. So my wetin be your name?
If like this now, ITV have been waiting one show me. My name is Justina.
Justina, which tribe you be?
Abisha.
Oh yeah. You know say we Benin people
In the year 1914, now they restore our Oba Eweka as the Oba of Benin. But to get it, they not give us back, they pay us. Now be that sovereignty right, so they take from our hand. When they collect for Bavorame that time, they never still give us. You see, they pay us. But what man go do? We go softly take a do with but we know say one day change go come. You see, I say our artifacts, then they return and they come small. So, Mama, you don't take for this Benin. So, we want to ask you a few questions. Mama, I know say you don't hear about Benin national item. Mama, if you sing, if now one verse, remember or two for me.
I hear but I never come across how much more I want practicing.
Okay, my sing small for you. Whether you feel
Say, Obaga talk, say, you can hear and they hear for radio.
Oba talk, on behalf of UKGB family, we don't give you this to do. I think it's there inside. Yes, give your picking me they read for school. Well done, Mama.
You know it, man.
Mama, which tribe you be, man?
I'm from Ishao.
It's oh yeah. You know, see this Benin will get great history. What we say many people don't know. You don't hear about General Boakimi before.
I don't hear.
General Boakimi was a soldier. He was a military general in the Benin then. General Boakimi, that's your brother. Now in that stand. You don't ever ask yourself if you dey pass Sakomba Road, get one statue where the most for Sakomba Road there, where the man stand, the whole arrow. Then they call General Boakimi. He was a strong general. Now he die stand because of waiting the power he get. Oh, you both shoot and instead of to fall, he stand, he stand there. They got to dig under a leg to put him for ground. That's General Boakimi. All these things are history where we say people don't know. When we say UKGB family don't take upon themselves, say we go out to tell people. Because I would say you know person that General Boakimi, so not be good thing. If you're picking about General Boakimi, not be good thing. Because now he's shaman. But many people don't know. So on behalf of UKGB family, Mama, we want to give you this note. Maybe give your picking for house.
Thank you.
Well done, ma. Well done. May they read. Well done, ma. I am, ma. Call ye. That's okay, call ye. Auntie, well done. Call ye. Man, if you're a UKGB family, United Kingdom of Great Benin, if you don't know Redo, no Rewebo, my all lads and man, we want to ask questions. We want to know people maybe say they know more about Benin. Because here in the year 1914, when they restore our Oba Eweka as the Oba of Benin, it gave it they not given. That's the sovereignty. They don't make them back. That right to they collect for Bavora and when they can go Calabar. Up till now they never still give us. Now the Benin people will they fight put to make sure say they restore our sovereignty back. And the only way go fit happen, and when it happens, say we use peaceful protest, we cooperate, we work as one as Benin to make that thing come to actualization. I want to know your name, man.
My name?
Yes, ma'am.
My name is Mary Otitu.
You are welcome. I want to ask you one question. I bet what is the name of our Oba? The Oba who they rule us now. What is the name?
Egwai, Obaiwai. Obaiwai, no. Ugudiga.
Mama, you try. At all, Mama. On behalf of UKGB family, I'm going to give your picking this notebook. Maybe they used to read for house. Well done, ma. Oba talk by hey. Call here.
iṣẹ́